What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about how often should you balance your tires, every oil change or every other oil change. That is 5,000 miles or 10,000 miles. So you can get the best life of your tire tread and you don't want your tires to wear uneven. And it's recommended by the manufacturer because, yeah, the manufacturer know because they know how they built the vehicle. So the reason why your boy is talking about it because it happened to your boy Artofspeedd on the Gen Coupe. Because the Gen Coupe, I was like, dang, when the last time I balanced the tires on the Gen Coupe? And I couldn't even think. Probably never. And I was like, oh man, I need to balance the tires on the Gen Coupe. So I just balanced the tires on the Gen Coupe. And I'm like, all right, cool. The signs that you can tell if your tires out of balance is you will hear a humming sound when you're driving, like woo, 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 woo. That is your tires out of balance, or your steering wheel is shaking really hard. That is your tires out of balance. So yeah, those are the two signs that you can tell if your tires out of balance. If you are getting those two signs, go to your local tire shop and be like, yo, my tires out of balance. Can y'all balance them for? And how much they cost? Probably about $35 to $45 just to balance your tires, just for them to take it off and balance your tires. How long can you drive your vehicle with unbalanced tires? Probably to 2 to 3 months. And yeah, so the reason why, because you're wearing it uneven. So one area of the tires may look like it's got fuller tread, and the other area of the tires is looking like, yo, they're on May pops. So that's why I say the 2 to 3 months, because boom, next thing you know, it's pop and you're mad and you looking like, yo, I just bought these tires. Yeah. So, but if you're enjoying this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Speed family, go to that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.